What a cracking day to be out. Welcome back, guys. I hope everybody's doing alright. Got myself a new crash helmet, the HJC F70 Carbon edition. So if you're in the market for a new sports touring helmet, stick around, stay tuned, and I'll let you know what I think of this. One of the first things that struck me the most, obviously, with it being carbon, is the weight. It's the first time I've ever owned a carbon fibre helmet, so it weighs next to nothing on your head, which when you're banging out those miles, that's what you want. You don't want a undue weight on your head. So, and the other thing what drew me to the helmet itself was the fact that it's got a great big massive visor, so the field of view is absolutely spot on. It comes pin lock ready, so that's an advantage, and also it's got a drop down sun visor built in. I'm a bit hamster cheeky at the minute because the cheek pads need to soften up a little bit, but it is a nice fit. I'm the XL size in helmets. Pretty quiet as well. I normally wear earplugs, but I ain't got them in for purpose because I wanted to see just how quiet it was. I'm going to go up here today because it's only a short ride today. Got Sunday dinner to make. So I've just stopped off and taken a few pictures of the helmet with bike, but to see the helmet in real and to see it on pictures, it doesn't do it justice. It's a lovely helmet. It's the gloss finish carbon, so it's best helmet I've ever owned. Anyway, let's get back home, and I'll let you know what my thoughts are. We'll go through some features and functions of the helmet itself. Alright, catch you in a bit. Right, so that's on the bike. Let's have a look at some of the design features and functions of the helmet itself. One of the things that struck me first is obviously the weight of it, with it being carbon fibre. On the back it's stamped up as 1,400 grams, so the lightest helmet I've ever owned. Inside it's got a nice finish to it, real premium look. The cheek pads are quite comfortable, nice and soft. The clasp is a double D ring finished off in gold, which I quite like that. The chin curtain is a detachable one. It's got a permanent fixed one there, but then you've got the extender there, which is going to help me any unwanted wind noise. The visor, it's quite a big visor, so it's got a good field of view to it. It's not a quick release visor, it's held on by the screw system on either side. I think that's because it's quite a large visor. I think that's why they've done that. Inside it's got a drop down sun visor included, which quite easy to use, quite easy to get to. On the inside it's got a breath deflector. It does come with a larger breath deflector, which you get that in the box, so I suppose that's good for winter use. Vents, it's got two at the front, two on the top, and the exhaust vents at the back. Now, as far as mounting things to the helmet, I know that some helmets can be quite awkward to mount the GoPros or the drifts. I have my drift mounted to the top and the GoPro mounted on the chin, which I'll show you that. So as you can see, the GoPro mounts pretty well at the front. You haven't got a massive cradle, so that's quite good. As far as communication kits go, we use the Senna, so the Senna mounts easily to the side. I know that on my S2 Sport helmet I had to use a sticky pad to mount me Senna, which I wasn't really happy about, but with this one you can quite easily clamp it to the helmet itself because it's quite narrow there. I don't know if that's going to be the same with the Cardo. I suppose it will be, but yeah, but as far as mounting things to the helmet go itself, quite easy, quite straightforward. So that's the HJC F70 Carbon.
Right, so there you have it. That's my thoughts of the new HJC F70 Carbon helmet. Extremely happy. I just want to say a big shout out to Infinity Motorcycles at York for kitting me out with the helmet. And cheers guys, it's much appreciated. No doubt that you'll be seeing me again. Right, so just want to say a big thanks for all subscribers, new and old. And if it's the first time you've been to the channel and you like what you see, think about hitting that subscribe button. It's much appreciated. Big thumbs up. Thanks guys, I'll catch you next time. Stay safe.